recording music and his brother, his mom, his dad are here. This is at his mom's house, not his dad's house. There we go. But we're going there next after a while. But yeah, wait there. And they don't know. It doesn't figure it out yet. Because I completely forgot the name. Hopefully this is this. Hey, guess what? I'm being random. So say hi!
Bye, woman! Bye!
Bye!
Bye! Have a horrible time! Yep! Now bye! Come on! Yes, yes, yes! Go, go, go! Go, woman! What window's that?
Yeah.
Have fun with your...
You might want to back up a bit.
No, it should be good.
No.
David's hilarious when he had to
Dad! You forgot something to give us! Bye, woman!
Bye.
Have fun with your wide open window!
Goes a doobie in this.
Yeah, but it's broke.
Hey, guess what? No.
Fucking move, you fucking pervs! You know what? Fine. Nope, damn it.
Yeah, there's doobies out there.
Hmm.
Yeah, there is.
Prove it.
There's a pack on the coffee table.
Prove it, go get him.
You look at them.
Go! Go get him! How do I know that you're not gonna walk in and get him in? No, get out!
Okay then.
Oh! Shay!
I'm sitting right here.
There's not.
I know what I mean.
There was, but there's not.
They must have taken them.
Now go make something for us to eat.
I'm not the bitch that belongs in the kitchen. I'm sorry, but no.
Hey, I remember something. Mom has pancake mix.
No, she doesn't.
I had pancakes this morning.
Fucking fuck.
I don't want.
They were actually good. They were sugar. I was gonna make cinnamon
Fuck
pancakes.
you!
I was gonna make cinnamon pancakes. Really?
Please
Someone
don't.
has stage fright.
Please don't do that to me. I really hate getting my picture
Hey,
taken.
want to make me a sandwich?
Okay, we got Jello.
We have penis butter.
Oh, Jello and peanut butter. Hey.
Who's gonna make me
I'm not gonna make
a
you
sandwich?
anything.
Then I don't know if I want to be or anything.
You're mean. You're
Make
really mean.
Make
I'm still gonna be random.
Just make us a damn sandwich.
Oh my god, you guys are so mean. Why can't you make your own sandwich? Oh wait, that's because I make them better.
Ja.
Now make us a sandwich.
Go make sandwich, woman.
Yeah, fuck you. No, give me my phone.
Yeah,
I won't make you a sandwich. You're not getting one.
Fine, I'm sorry. Now make me a sandwich. No. Seriously, I hate getting my picture taken.
Are you serious?
Where do women hide her doobies?
I don't know.
Aww.
Fine, I'll make you guys a sandwich. God.
Good.
Fuck you.
Make that two. I don't want one.
Make it one.
Two.
Oh, one for me, one for Andrew. All right.
One for me.
Fine, rare.
By the way, I don't like peanut butter.
Okay, so I'm making 2 with peanut butter.
No, I want peanut butter and jam.
She don't have to.
Yeah, she does.
Thinks she does.
Yeah. Oh, that's bees.
Oh yeah, peanut butter and beef.